Right, just wanted to show you a quick purchase I made over the weekend, over Black Friday weekend, for the 18V cordless palm sander by Ryobi, if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I pronounce it, and that's what I'm going to do. So I got the sander and an extra pack of sanding sheets. So let's open her up and have a look. There's a little dust catcher then, probably for the vacuum or something. Battery, yeah, don't need those. So you do get some sheets with it. I'll look at those in a sec. And there's the sander and instructions. Let's move that out of the way. So there it is. Not much to it. Not too heavy. I know I haven't got a battery on yet. Let's put some details there for you if you can see them. Let's focus, there we go. So I've just got a 4 amp hour battery here. That's still not too bad actually. Still not too heavy, not too bulky. Let's see what it sounds like. To be honest, that is not that loud. I've got an electric one, and that's way more louder than this. What we've got now is the sheets that come with it. Let's open them. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 60. Split them 60. 2 60s. 120. 240. 1 240. 102 240s. And 2 120s. Let's just stick a 240 on it. I'm not going to use it now, but that's how it looks. Got loads of jobs for this. Nice. So I just got an extra pack, but you probably get different ones, different makes will probably fit this, as long as the holes line up, I guess. But that's the code for that. Let's get that in focus. There we go. If you just want them. I bought these items direct from Ryobi over the weekend because there was some good deals on. I'm usually a Makita man myself, but I've got a few Ryobi batteries, and they're pretty good stuff, to be honest. They're really good tools, nothing wrong with it. Fraction of the price of some of them. And we got 360s, 380s and 4 120s. So there we go. Okay, so just on the side here is a little flap, and the little attachment for the exhaust slots into here, so you can attach then either direct some of the airflows out the back here, or just attach your vacuum, whatever. But that just little flap just here, pull that back, and then that there, slide that in. And if you don't want that, you don't have to use that. So that's it, not much to it really. The only thing that I want to point out is, get this one though. I'll give you the part number now, because the cheap one is still out there. I believe the model, if you go on Amazon or something like that, or B&Q, you can still pick up the other one, which has a it's got the switch here instead of here. This is the updated model direct from Ryobi. You can get this on Amazon. It's a bit more expensive than the other one, only by a couple of quid. But the other one, the model number for the other one is the R18 PS-0, and that's about 45 quid-ish at the moment. That one's been out for a while, and apparently the motor overheats quite quickly. It's not as good. This is the revised version, so this is the RPS 18-0. The old one's not available direct from Ryobi anymore. So they've obviously updated it and done some changes, and Ryobi claimed that the motor issue's been resolved, but we'll see how it goes. There it is. So on this one, let's make sure that's in focus there. That's the model number for this one. So be careful not to buy the R18PS. It's got a slidey switch down here, the one that's got the dodgy motor on it. So get this one. It's got the on and off switch at the top there. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.